Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add SIM card number in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to SIM card and mobile data. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in SIM card and mobile data, okay, you can see the SIM info and settings. Okay, you can see here the SIM 1 and SIM 2. Okay, you can choose the SIM you want to add the mobile number. So okay guys, I choose SIM 1. And okay guys, here in SIM 1, you can see the SIM card number. And okay guys, you only have to do to add the number is click the SIM card number. And the pop-up are show, and okay, now you can add the mobile number. And okay guys, after you add the mobile number, okay, click save button. And now you can see the SIM card number. And okay guys, go back. And okay guys, also you can see the number on your SIM info and settings. Okay, you can see the SIM 1 number. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.